Hello and welcome! I am Anastasia, and in this video I will show you how to do spring-inspired abstract design. I prepped the nail, did dry manicure, applied base coat, and then I will apply white gel polish, but not all over the nail. I will leave a small gap and apply this style. Do not forget to cap the free edge. And then I will cure it for 1 minute in LED lamp and apply the second coat. All white colors usually require 2 coats, even if they are very bright. So I will do the same, cap the free edge again and cure again. Then I will need a bright pink. I'm using Uno. This is the Hong Kong brand, number P65. And we will need a really dry brush. So you need to clean the brush in a jar as much as you can, and then you can use a lint-free nail wipe or foil, something to get rid of the extra product so the brush is almost completely dry. And then do a careful stroke right here, then freeze cure it for 5 seconds, and then I will do another stroke on top. You can do more strokes, you can use another colors. Then I will apply a base coat. If your white gel polish has a sticky layer and the surface is pretty sticky at this moment, you can skip this step, you don't need to do this. But my white gel polish, it doesn't really have any sticky layer, that's why I will apply base coat, cure it for 1 minute, and then I will use the transfer foil. I have this one that comes like a line, so I really like it. Make sure you're using the right side, mine comes in a tube. The side should be matte, do not use the shiny one, and then we're simply press and pull, and this is how it looks. And if you want more, feel free to do this, do another one, and now we have a transfer foil on our nail. Last step, I will use my favorite black Go color by NSI. Using my brush number 0, I will stretch the lines out of this black, and this is how I will create the line. Honestly, this is the hardest and the most challenging part of this design, because when you do the stroke, when you transfer the foil, it's pretty easy. But here, when we need to do a straight line, we have to be very careful. But luckily, the line is not too thin, so I will make it in a few strokes. And it's really up to you. I mean, it can be not a line, it can be something different. So I continue working with the brush, and my goal is to do the sharp edges to make it really nice and straight. And when you're done, cure it in LED and seal it with the top coat. As I have natural nails underneath, I'm sealing with the sock-off top coat, but if you have acrylic or gel nails, you can use any top coat that you like. Do not forget to cap the free edge and fully cure this time for 1 minute in LED, and then remove the sticky layer if you have one. If not, you're ready to go. So this is the result of the design, and this is how the whole hand looks. I placed the stroke, the foil, and the pink in different parts of the nails. This is my thumb, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this will give you any ideas to do more designs to your clients. Let me know in the comments if you like it and will you try something similar. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next one. Goodbye.